What's good, MoneyVerse fam? Today's video is one of the realest side hustles hitting the US in 2025. People are getting paid daily, $50, $100, even $200, not by doing hard jobs, not by becoming tech experts, but by offering AI-assisted mini services that take minutes. And before we get into it, yes, this video is AI-assisted but fully edited, researched, and structured by me for real human value. Let's run it up. An AI assistant for hire is someone who uses AI tools to complete small digital tasks for clients. You're not pretending to be AI. You're a human assistant using AI to work smarter. Americans pay for emails, summaries, research, trip plans, caption packs, product comparisons, content ideas, grammar fixes, homework explanations. They pay because they don't have the time. They don't understand AI. They want someone to organize it for them. They want quick results. You play the middle AI, does the heavy lifting, and you deliver the finished result. This one is a whole cheat code. Americans hate writing long emails or professional messages. You offer polite replies, job emails, school emails, complaint letters, customer service messages. Use ChatGPT Grammarly. DeepL Write. Charge $5, $15 per email. Deliver in 5 minutes. Easy W. Platforms YPP Safe. Fiverr, Upwork Facebook groups, Reddit for hire communities. College students are busy. You're not doing homework for them. You're providing study support by summarizing chapters, explaining concepts, generating study notes, helping with citations, breaking down math steps, legal explanations only. This is 100% allowed when you provide explanations, not cheating. Charge $8, $20 per task. Use ChatGPT. Wolfram, Perplexity. Americans love vacations but hate planning. Become an AI-powered travel assistant and offer 3-day and 7-day travel itineraries, hotel comparisons, cheap flight research, food recommendations, activity lists. AI gives you the raw plan. You polish it with real human touches. YPP Positive. Charge $15, $50 per plan. Deliver a nice PDF file. Creators need help every day. You offer 10 TikTok hooks, 20 captions, 20 video ideas, cleaned scripts, grammar fixes, SEO titles. AI gives you the base gives. You refine it gives. You deliver unique value gives. YouTube actually loves this because it's not purely AI output. Charge $10, $40 per request. People in the US want their lives organized. You can use AI to generate weekly planners, habit trackers, budget sheets, gym routines, meal plans. Then you customize it for them. Charge $10, $30. This is insanely low competition. Americans will pay for someone who can deliver quick, clean research. Use AI to gather product comparisons, service reviews, trend reports, industry facts, pros and cons lists, buyer guides. You fix formatting, remove AI errors, and deliver human-checked work. Charge $12, $45 per project. Only use platforms safe for microtasks. Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, Digital Jobs, Facebook groups, Reddit communities, Etsy for packaged services, Gumroad for bundles. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing work. And the people who understand how to use AI are the ones making real money. Become an AI assistant for hire. Offer simple, honest services gives. Use AI smartly gives. Deliver clean work gives. And secure that daily bag. Drop a emoji if you want part 2. AI tasks you can deliver in under 10 minutes. MoneyVerse out. If you're ready for more real talk about getting video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell.